A worthy opponent. Hello, everybody. This is Noah Guzik. Today we're going to be unboxing a new Lego package from Amazon. So right here we have the box. I've just opened it from the package with bubble wrap in it, and it was sent via USPS. So here we have the box. Let's see if we can get this open. It's always fun trying to get this open. So inside, let's see what we have. Now these are technically from a certain video game. I'll remember it in a minute. These are Space Marines. So right here, this is what my friend got me into. Right here we have a black Space Marine, and he's very intricate, so I'll at least build one. I'll make this up as I go. See how many I'm actually gonna make, because they are complicated. So I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna figure this out, how these parts go together. If you can see right here, I have a black Space Marine right here. So this guy is black as well. He looks to be different. Is he black or green? Can you tell? I'm going to go ahead and turn on this light too. There we go. So now you have a little bit of a better view. Actually, I'm going to turn that off. That's all right. Okay. So we're going to do this. We're going to build this guy. So he has 2 arms, 2 legs. The legs are already on, just like a normal Lego figure. And that guy's going to fall over. So now we have his arms on, and then we have some arm guards, and then we also have some other pieces here. We do have a big chest piece, and we have a belt. So before I go any further, I'm going to put the big chest piece on. He looks to be different, actually. He looks to be different from these other Space Marines. And this does go on here. So that's right. Let's compare it real quick. Yep, it is different. It is different. So I really like these guys because they remind me of Fallout. And if you can see right here, make sure he's in the camera, these shoulder pauldrons go on, and these guys are a little bit different than the other ones. He looks to be a little bit more bulky, just a bigger figure, which is actually kind of cool. And I'll show him once he's all complete, because right now he's not in the right now he's not in the screen, in the shot. And we can go here. We can slip these guards over here. That's his helmet. I'll wait on that. And this guy, he's really big. He's really bulky. So this guy I got from AliExpress, and this guy is from Amazon. So he also has a golden piece. Looks like his helmet is coming off as well. Let's see if we can push this on. There we go. And his golden piece looks like it goes on the front. So look at that. That's pretty sweet. You can see him there. I'll put this side by side with this guy. So you tell me who wins, this guy or this guy? I don't know. They're similar, but like I said, this guy is bulkier. So this is the green Space Marine. Will he fit on the peg, on the studs, the Lego studs on the base plate? And we have a bunch of others here. I'm not going to open these because there's a bit too much stuff over here. But I'll go through them real quick. These are pretty high quality from what I can tell. Just holding them in my hands. So right here we have the white one, and you can see that they're basically all the same. But this guy is the white one. We have the red one, which is pretty cool. We have blue. It's too much to open right now. We have yellow/gold. We have black. That guy is green, the guy I opened. And they all look to have maybe the golden wings on the front. And then the red one. Red one. Oh, the red one has a big package. And he's spooky. He's got a spooky face. So I may build an army and showcase all of them. I actually really like this shop, by the way. And go from there. So if you're looking for some Space Marine action, check on Amazon. They come in and out of stock. Be patient. And keep checking. And I'll showcase an army soon. Peace.